I'm going to say something nice about your students, the teachers that are still talking. Thank you for engaging so much with the 3 sessions. But more than that, thank you for coming to talk to us in the break. It's really shown us how much you think and how smart you are as a collective. It's been really, really inspiring to listen to you. So keep being brave, keep asking the questions, and sit back and enjoy what I know is going to be a very, very lively session with this lovely gentleman who's going to introduce himself.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Pratish Nair. और तुम लोग को अगर लग रहा है कि मैं यहाँ पे पीपीटी लगाने वाला और बोलने वाला हूँ कि दूसरे पॉइंट के हिसाब से आपकी जिंदगी बदल जाएगी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. So I want everyone here to close their notebooks. Please put it in your bag. Put your pens back. You're not going to write anything. If you don't experience good here, you have full right to walk out of this room and come back for the next session. Is that okay? पिज्जा पिज्जा खा के नींद आ रही है कि नहीं? तेरे चेहरे से लग रहा है कि तुझे नींद आ रही है. कितना पिज्जा खाया तूने? 2 खाया ना तूने? बगल वाले मेरा मुझे भी देना प्लीज. Okay, my name is Pratish Nair and I run a school of branding and advertising on this planet. And for the last 8 years I've been doing this. We have 2,000 students in 18 universities across India. And मुझे बचपन में नालायक बुलाया जाता था. मुझे तो अभी भी लगता है कि मैं नालायक हूं. तो अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? For the next 45-50 minutes, we are going to talk. Is that okay? And you have no idea तुम यहाँ पे क्यों आए हो. तुम्हें टीचर ने जबरदस्ती यहाँ लाया ना?
No.
झूठ बोलना किसने सिखाया?
No one.
तू तो झूठ पहले से बोल रही है, पिज्जा कम खाए. तू तो आधा नींद में लग रहा है मुझे. तूने पिज्जा के बाद कुछ नहीं ना? कुछ धूम्रपान सेवन? कुछ नहीं. Why are you in this auditorium is my question. क्यों आए हो? स्कूल ने तुम लोग को धक्के मार के भेजा है ना? सच बताओ. क्या झूठ? काफी लोग एक दूसरे से हाँ मेरे को मालूम है लेकिन बोले कैसे? They have sent you with a purpose that you're going to learn. And I believe learning has to be an experience. If it is not an experience, it is nothing. Am I making sense there? So few things. When I'm talking, you're not supposed to look at me. Allah, mast bola re, kya bola samajh nahi aaya. You need to talk. When I come to you, you need to talk to me. If I talk to you. And if I ask you to come onto the stage, even if you don't want, you will say, मेरी जिंदगी ही ऐसी है. ठीक है? Can we start? So before I start, I'll tell you what changed my life. I come from the field of advertising, and I'll show you 1 or 2 advertisement that we made with Piyush Pandey. Have you heard of Piyush Pandey? Now you'll remember him. Ritesh, can we play that video, please? These are the things that influenced me. Can we have the next one, please?
बंदर देखा, हाथी देखा, बारहसिंघा और चीतल देखा, मोगली के जंगलों में शेर खान को देखा. पचमढ़ी सतपुरा का अजूबा, भोपाल लेक में सूरज डूबा, मंडू का जहाज महल और मार्बल का पहाड़ देखा. महाकाल मंदिर में पूजा, फोटो खींचा जाके ओरछा, ग्वालियर के किले में भटका, खजुराहो ने दे दिया झटका. पूर्वजों को मिलने जुलने जा पहुंचा मैं भीमबेटका. ट्रेन की चुक चुक सुनते सुनते आ पहुंचा मैं सांची स्तूपा. सांची की शांति में हिंदुस्तान का दिल देखा, हिंदुस्तान का दिल.
Heart of incredible India, Madhya Pradesh.
Thank you, Hitesh. Can we have the lights on? So I make films too, okay? And I have been influenced by one of the best in the industry. So if you know Shah Rukh Khan, yes? You know Amitabh Bachchan, yes? दुनिया के सबसे अच्छे ऐड हिंदुस्तान में पीयूष पांडे जी बनाते हैं. So please Google about him. He is like the Acharya of Indian advertising. And if Indian advertising is speaking Hindi, it is because of him and his brother Prasoon Pandey. Are you there with me? So today my subject is, because Ravi asked me, what are we going to speak about? So I said, let's speak about something that is going to make you successful. तो यहाँ से तुम आने वाले 40 मिनट के बाहर निकलोगे, 40 मिनट के बाद, तो तुम लोगोगे कि मैं सक्सेसफुल बन सकता हूँ. इसके लिए मैं तुम्हारे साथ पास आकर ये नहीं बोलने वाला हूँ, in the name of Jesus, you become successful. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. But I'll tell you what will make you successful. Is that a fair deal? Yeah? अगर तुमको अच्छा लगा तो 100 रुपया दोगे? 100 रुपया है? पॉकेट में सबके 100 रुपया है ना? बड़े बाप की बिगड़ी औगला दो. हमारे पास तो 10 रुपए भी नहीं होते थे. Okay. You have to start young. How many people, how many students here are already working? कितने लोग काम करते हैं? किसी रेस्टोरेंट में साइकिल रिक्शा चलाते हैं, ऑटो वोटो चलाते हैं. हाँ, ऐसा क्या करते बेटा आप? My God, public relation and all. I love you. What's your name? Mannat. अरे वाह, very good. या इधर किसने हाथ उठाया? Yes, बच्चे, what do you do? Please take her number. Okay, very good. Yes, बच्चे, what do you do? You have done an internship. Internship is the world's biggest scam. 2 महीना क्या किया? थोड़ा नैन में टक्का इधर उधर और आखिर में एक सर्टिफिकेट मिला. I don't know, maybe but it's right. I don't know. Okay, anyone here? तुम लोग को पाप लगता है काम करने के लिए? You don't work at all? How many? Yes, बच्चे, what do you do? You teach yoga? Seriously? What kind of yoga? Because now there is many kind of yoga. Hot yoga. Okay, there's so many yogas. What yoga do you teach? Advanced yoga. तू तो इतनी छोटी सी है. हाँ, advanced yoga. Okay, the people who are raising their hands right now and they say that I work, I teach yoga, I'm a PR person, I did my internship. I don't know, you're doing some business. You are the only one who are going to be successful more than the people sitting around you. If you tell me, sir, मैं सुबह सुबह विद्यालय जाता हूं, फिर सरस्वती मां मेरे को पैकेट में बुद्धि प्रदान करती है और वो बुद्धि में 10-15 साल में ले जाने के बाद एफडी में डालने के बाद ब्रह्मा मुझे काम देता है. This is all bullshit. Our education system is fantastic, but the people who are educating you are not aspiring enough. And it is not a statement, it's a reality. Because I have been through. I've been educated here in India, in UK and USA, and I also came to know that it's a scam. I was always in a lecture thinking, when will my teacher die? That boring to core. And today what we are creating, that I'll finish in the very end. So coming back, the people who are working right now have more chances of being successful. तुम लोग को कुछ नहीं बनना है ना, काम क्या हो क्या रहा है? अमीर बनना है कि नहीं? सर मेरे को तो शर्म आ रही है. हाँ, अमीर बनना है कि नहीं? तुम लोग को बनना है कि नहीं? Okay, all my girls here, all my bachas here, listen to me. The only way a man can control you or make you feel low by talking money. That's the reality of life. Please make more money than all the guys put in here. Give yourself a good round of applause. As simple as that. Okay? So let me check. If you raised your hands and you're going to be multimillionaire, are you going to be successful? So this is what you need to do. I'm going on to the stage and I'm going to play any genre of music. I need few people or just one person to raise your hands and come and stand before all these people here and dance till the time the music is on. How many people would like to do this? Ek, I love you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I love girls. I was just going to say, दो लड़के हमारी भी इज्जत है. If you see 90% of the people who have raised their hands are girls. You will be more successful than men. Give yourself a good round of applause. I'm a man, I know. My wife does everything and I'm like, maybe successful साथ में. So yeah. So why only 6 or 7 people in a crowd of 200? Or 10 people? बाकी लोग क्यों खड़े हैं? सर हमको बहुत अस्थमैटिक अटैक आ रहा है. सर हम शुक्रवार को नहीं नाचते सर. शाम को नाचते हैं सर थोड़ी देर के बाद. सर हमारे फैमिली में पाप लगता है सर. You will give me a million, maybe a billion reasons to not come here. Because, can I use the word? तुम्हारी फटती है. सर हमको तो सच्ची में लगी हम जाके. You're scared because people are going to judge you. If I would have asked you 15 people, 50, 20, 25 people come here and dance, you would come because बारात में कौन नाच रहा है, कौन देख रहा है. And you want to be that one person that the world knows. But you're not ready to take the risk. And more importantly, you are not ready to accept changes or some uncomfortable situations like what I'm trying to create here. So who is the girl who raised their hands first? Come bache, give her a good round of applause. Jaldi hai, we don't have much time. Before Dr. Natarajan will tell me, get lost. She's not here. Jaldi hai. हिंदुस्तान का नाम तू ही रोशन करेगी. What's your name?
Charvi Amelia.
क्या?
Charvi Amelia.
Charvi.
Yeah.
What do you mean by that?
It means charm in a girl or beautifulness of a girl.
That to you are. तुझे किसी ने बोला है कि हैरी पॉटर की जो गर्लफ्रेंड थी उसका नाम क्या है?
मैंने हैरी पॉटर नहीं देखी.
इंडियन जिनी.
हैरी पॉटर नहीं देखी.
देखो बहुत सुंदर फिल्म.
Okay.
Okay, now what you need to do, beta, come here. What you need to do here is go ahead and choose the most good-looking boy in this auditorium to dance with you. As soon as I said this, सारे लड़के वो तो मैं हूँ. मेरी माँ कहती है मैं लाखों में एक हूँ. Okay, so Charvi, you have to choose one this good-looking man or a boy. Boy or a man? Sir, हम man हैं, पैदा ही man हुए थे sir. Right. So yeah, so who you going to choose?
I'll pick up my brother like friend.
Brother like friend. Appa. Oh my God. Bache, go brother, go back. No, go. Bache, let me tell you. Remember this in life. I'm going to speak everything from an entrepreneurial or maybe a motivational way. दो चीज को मिक्स नहीं कर सकते. ये मेरा पति है लेकिन भाई जैसा है मेरे. So you cannot do that. You can never ever do that. You're understanding? You're understanding what I'm trying to say here? Huh? You cannot. It is one. It is one. Am I making sense there? So you either call him best friend or you call him bhai.
Yeah, bhai.
ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में. Why you want to call him? Because you are comfortable with him, because you know him.
He's my junior and I also know him, yeah.
Please choose another person, not him. कुछ लड़के तो हिल भी नहीं रहे. जनगणमन. और कुछ लोग की तो मुझे आवाज सुनाई दे रही है. जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति. Okay, yeah, come. Remember, if you want to be successful, you have to start young. If you want to be successful, you have to work now. If you want to be successful, you have to be shameless. If you want to be successful, you need to have the power of choice, which this country will never give you. बैठो sir. उठो. Okay, get out of the class. Okay sir. So choose a boy or a man that you really look like, you feel like he's so good looking. उसकी लाइफ बना दो, आज वो उड़ते उड़ते घर जाएगा. So many good looking boys here. ये तो मुझे ही देख रहा है सर, वो Okay, go ahead, choose one person, beta. Shah Rukh Khan, come. Go to the stage. Please give them a good round of applause. बेटा, मैं जानता हूं श्रीलंका और बांग्लादेश हिंदुस्तान में नहीं आता. थोड़ा बात करें. Out of you, who would you like to dance on top? Raise your hands with pride. Some are like, sir, आप बोल दो मैं आ जाऊंगी. Look, it is very easy for me as a person, the position that Ravi has given me. It's so easy for me. I'll come to you and say, tu, and you'll say, kutta. And then you will come. I have that authority. But I'm giving you choice. I'm giving you a moment where you can become a brand. Because these two people, when they're going to get out of this room, everyone say, तो अगर कुछ बनना है तो डरना नहीं है, और माशाल्लाह बेशरम तो बहुत होना है. Am I making sense there? So in the name of the Father and the Holy Spirit, yeah, you have to dance. We'll play the music. Okay, God bless you. Vicky, can have some music, please.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल सादा, हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा है राता. बुत बारी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टियां ते है दिखदा परादा नहीं देखदा परादा. गिरे तो लगदी तीनों एक बारी दस दो जी ने क्यों शकीनो. कल ही तो इटली तो आई मर जानी है ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो. तेनू क्या ना दिखा तेरे दिल की सिखा तेरे दिल की लिखा. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा, हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा.
Thank you. Please give them a
तौबा 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 तौबा.
One second. Right now you witness how Indian marriage looks like. This man did not do much. Everything was the lady. The man did, he grooved. And as soon as the music, sab main tha, thank you. Baby, I did it. You want to be successful in life? You want to be, yes? The irony is, people say education is way to success, but it is attitude. मतलब आना चाहिए, स्कूल जाना चाहिए. नहीं, हमको बता दिए हैं प्रतीश बाबू स्कूल नहीं जाना, हम तो इस्तीफा दे रहे हैं. Don't do that. But it is the attitude. If you cannot work with people, if you're not comfortable with another person, you will never be successful. सर हमको बहुत शर्म आती है सर, पेट में गुड़गुड़ होता है सर. You're sitting in those clusters and silos of yours. You did not even move to another person and said, hello, तो बहुत सुंदर है. Did you meet how many people you met other than your school people? Many boys I saw. मस्त है ना? That's it. And the girl's like, यहाँ पे कमीने चलो. Okay? You're not meeting some. Very few people you're meeting. This is a place where you should have your friend circle got bigger. The founder of School News, Ravi Santlani. So you're seeing these 2 days here, some amazing activity happening. Tell me how many hours does he work? कितना घंटा काम करते होंगे? बहुत बड़ा आदमी है, अमीर है, करोड़पति है. कितना घंटा काम? कितना? 5 घंटा. हाँ? कितना बचे? 12 hours. 10 to 12 hours. हाँ 10 घंटा, बाकी के हाँ 25 घंटा। वो कह रहा मैं तुक्का मार के देखता हूं 25। ये आदमी कभी सोता नहीं है। इफ यू वॉन्ट टू बी सक्सेसफुल, देयर इज नो आवर्स, यू आर कॉन्स्टेंटली वर्किंग। दिस 5 hours 6 hours, सर मेरा टाइमिंग 9 बजे शुरू होता है और 5 बजे खत्म हो जाता है सर। Those people will never be successful. Let me tell you very honestly, if you say, sir, I can only study when I'm in school, and after that, no sir, this is too much, you'll never be successful. Let me tell you very frankly, no one on this planet is waiting for you with a chair, asking you to come. Beta, aao, padharo. No one wants you to be successful, other than your parents and teachers. Parents का तो dead investment है, bad debt हो तुम लोग. Let me put it in a nice way. Do you think you're an asset or a liability? हाँ? Your liabilities. Asset. वो तो मम्मी ऐसे झूठ बोलती रहती लाखों में एक है तो मेरा, हाँ मेरा चांद. You are all a liability, and you are worse performing than mutual funds. तुम लोग कभी भी डाले हुए पैसे नहीं देने वाले, बेशर्मो. Just imagine in the school when you're wasting time, when you sit in this auditorium and you're wasting time, what you're doing is take your parents' money and this is what you're doing. This is exactly what you're doing. And you want to be a multimillionaire. लेकिन सर भगवान का दिया और बाप का दिया और बहुत कुछ है. Are you there with me? Thank you so very much. Don't collect any prizes when you get down. I'm just kidding. Don't. Thank you so very much and God bless you. Thank you and God bless you, beta. Please give them a good round of applause. Are you there with me? Now we'll do one magic. Can we do it? Magic सबको पसंद है. सर कुछ जादू कर दो, हमारा जिंदगी अच्छा कर दो. There are no magic on this planet. Magic is created by you. So please just stand up. Everyone, wherever you are. Yeah, everyone, if you want to stand, you can stand. If you don't want to stand and you want to be arrogant, you can sit here. Okay. So this is what you're going to do. ये मुझे बहुत बुरा लग रहा है श्रीलंका वालों को देखकर. हाँ? Okay, ठीक है. But any which ways, Sri Lankans will kill me. But okay, coming back. Mitesh. Okay, we're going to play the music that we played right now, or maybe some other music. Okay, I'll play it only 2 times. How many times? 2 times. In 2 times, you as one team, you as one team, and this is exactly like Olympics में कितने gold मिले. Okay, so बेशर्मो तुमने नहीं लाए. क्या हो कर रहे हो? उन लोग तो मेहनत करके वहाँ पहुँच भी गए. Okay, so this team, okay. You cannot move out of your space. Wherever you are not supposed to move out of the space. You can look around. You can look around. And I'll play the music 2 times. And everyone needs to synchronize. Possible or not possible? Only 3 people. Possible. बाकी इस उम्र का यही तो प्रॉब्लम है. They believe in everything. Let's see if he can do it. He's already looking at me with anger. I'm just kidding. Okay. Mitesh, can we have the music? But you need to synchronize.
Yeah, proof. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा.
I love you, sir.
ओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल सादा, हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा है राता. बुत बारी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्टियां ते है दिखदा परांदा नहीं देखदा परांदा. Stop. फिक्र तो लगदी तीनों, एक बारी दस दो जी ने क्यों शकीनों. कल ही तो इटली तो आई मर जानी ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो.
Okay, stop it. Okay, I just saw something. We are doing a session, Start Young, and how people become successful. Some people are self-initiated. Tauba, tauba. And some people, फंस गए हम, ये जिंदगी खत्म कर दो हमारी. Some people went ahead and tried to do some leadership role here. There was this group. सब लोग मेरी तरफ देखो. Come on, everyone. Then someone said, नहीं इस बार राहुल गांधी जीतेगा. Okay, so you're politically intelligent here. Good. Okay, coming back. I'll play it for the second time. अगली बार कौन सरकार? ठीक है यहाँ झगड़ा मत करना please. Okay, चलो coming back. I'm going to play this for the second time. Give your 101% the way Ravi Santalani gives to his profession and his passion and his life. Pura. Remember, I'm talking about a team. I'm talking about a team. इस पूरे ग्रुप में माइकल जैक्सन सिर्फ ये है. इन्होंने पूरा मूव करके दिखाया. So it was fantastic. I love him. And there was this one beautiful lady here. This what's your name?
मंजू कुमारी.
मंजू जी ने भी 2-3 स्टेप ऐसे किए हैं. She was trying. You were not. इन्होंने बोला कि नहीं. मंजू कर रही है तो हम क्यों करें? Okay, चलो. Let's play it for one more time. Let's see how good you are. Can we play it from the top again, Mitesh? Make it simple.
हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. 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 ओ ले लिया कुड़ी ने दिल सादा, हाले थोड़ा साफ जानी लगदा है रादा. वो तो बड़ी लंबी नहीं रखी है मुट्ठियां ते है दिखदा परांदा नहीं देखदा परांदा. स्टॉप तेरे तो लगदी क्यों एक बारी दस दो जी ने क्यों शकीन. कल ही तो इटली तो आई मर जानी ते परस तू पेरिस तो मंगाया वैलेंटिनो. तेरे क्या दिखा तेरे दिल की सिखा तेरे दिल की दिखा. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा. हुस्न तेरा तौबा 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 तौबा.
Please give yourself a good round of applause. Sit. The performance level and the productivity of this activity depended upon where you were sitting. वहां पे 3 बच्चे जो पीछे बैठे हैं, उन्होंने कहा जिसको नाचना नाच दो, मां कसम हम नहीं नाच रहे, क्योंकि हम अंबानी के भाई हैं, भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है. Did you enjoy it? Never do anything in your life that you don't enjoy. And it is something crazy thing to say. The reality is, life is not beautiful. Bosses are worse. Jobs are a treachery. God bless you. दुनिया खराब है, लेकिन अगर जिंदगी में खुशी ना पाओ, जिस चीज को तुम कर रहे हो उसको हर दिन कैसे करोगे? There are speakers who are coming after me. They have been here in this auditorium for the past 1.5 hours. They are seeing to it that everything goes well. They love what they do. तो सब कुछ परफेक्ट होना चाहिए, थोड़ा अच्छा, थोड़ा सा और अच्छा. हम लोग कहते हैं जैसा होना होने दे. What is the worst thing that is stopping you from being successful? Money? Huh? What? You're saying ourselves? Your fears. Your what? Fear of failure. Who is an entrepreneur? or failed employee? Who is an entrepreneur? Who is an husband? A failed lover. Who is a wife? A failed lover. How many people are dating right now? सरदार जी का हाथ किसी ने उठाया? अबे चुप ओए उधर मत जाना. Okay, yeah. How many people are dating currently? I love you. One, एक ही. चलो सरदार जी हम भी करें. थोड़ा प्यार हमको भी हो गया. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ये कहाँ आ गए हम? हाँ? Okay. It's not because you are at an age where everything is attractive. कितना अच्छा है ना? You like it and I know it. I was there. मुझे तो सबसे प्यार होता था. कोई घास भी नहीं डालता था लेकिन फिर भी प्यार में था मैं. Life was beautiful. But the most beautiful thing is that if you love and say, it's me, baby, that is a successful person. नहीं. ये वीडियो रिकॉर्ड है, पापा देख लेंगे. बहुत मारेंगे. You need to have the guts to tell the world that I love. Because if you don't experience love, how will you work? Because work has to be something that you love. Am I making sense there? Are you there with me? आज से तुम लोग घर जाकर बोलोगे, What's your dad's name? अभिषेक इधर आओ. आज एक आदमी से मैं मिला, थोड़ा पागल था लेकिन प्यार करने को बोला है. तुमसे तो हो नहीं रहा, मैं कर लूं. It is important to love. You should hear to his voice if possible. He sings so well. This gentleman, you loved him. You did not even allow him to have his lunch. Sir, मेरे को बहुत डाउट है. साला मुझे भूखा ही मारेंगे बच्चे. You loved him because he's special. He loves what he's doing. Did you see his body language? तुम लोग कितने उम्र के हो अभी? हाँ? Sweet 16, 16, 17. तुम लोग कैसे? हाँ? 15, 16, 17 maximum, yeah? कुछ मैं तो 18 हूँ, मैं तो दारू पी जा सकती हूँ. Okay, 15, 16, 17. Did you see your body language? जिंदगी बहुत भार है, पता नहीं. Did you see this gentleman walking? Hello, baby. Did you see him? Did you see him? He's enjoying his life. He's enjoying, and you want to be him, and that is why you spend time with him. If your teachers are not aspirational, okay, let me put it this way. How many people in this room wants to be a teacher? 1, 2, 3. कुछ लोग तो दिस तू हो सकती तो मैं क्यों नहीं? 1, 2, 3, 4. Why there are not at least 100 hands up here? Why? It doesn't pay well. तूने वही बोला ना, पैसे वैसे कुछ नहीं मिलते, डांट अलग प्रिंसिपल से. हाँ बच्चे गाली देते हैं, तेरे जैसे बच्चे हो तो वही होगा. You have no idea. You have no idea what a teacher is. You have no idea. It's the world's most beautiful thing that you can do. But, like Sir said, the reality, पैसे, हमको तो अंबानी का, अदानी की इतना तो बनना ही है. The world's most loved profession is a musician. Everyone wants to sing. Everyone, सबको लगता है मैं भी गाता हूँ. कोई गाता होता नहीं, लेकिन ऐसा लगता है. Other people entrepreneur बनेंगे सर. क्यों? इंटरव्यू तो हम पास ही नहीं हो सकते सर. हमारे ख्याल अलग हैं. Teachers are beautiful. The only 2 people on this planet who are praying for your success every time they breathe in, every time they breathe out are your parents. And that the 3rd person is your teacher. बाकी दुनिया को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ता तुम्हारा क्या होता है. Am I making sense there? Please give a good round of applause for teachers. It's a reality of life. I'm telling you. बाद में कैश दे देना, ठीक है? Please. I'm honestly telling you, बच्चे, the only motivation that they work on is your love and your passion, and you're saying thank you. मजा आ गया. You need to say that. हमारी मम्मी का क्या मोटिवेशन है घर का सारा काम करने का? सच बताओ. Your mom does more than 99% of household work. Yes or no? Yes? Why does your dad don't do it? पापा क्यों नहीं करते? तुम्हारे पापा क्या क्या करते हैं? वो सोच रहा है क्या करते हैं? आप बता क्या करते हैं? घर में कैसे कैसे हाथ बटाते हैं? कब?
वो सामान लेकर आते हैं, सारा राशन वगैरह और लादी साफ वगैरह
करते हैं? सच्ची में?
हाँ.
पापा को एक किस मेरी तरफ से दे देना. बैठो. तुम्हारे पापा क्या करते हैं?
सर सब कुछ, सर खाना बनाता है, सब बहुत अच्छा बनाता है सर, मैगी.
इसी वजह से हमारे यहां बाप इतना महत्वपूर्ण रखता है. कुछ नहीं करता है फिर भी परमात्मा है. The honest thing here is Indian men don't do anything. It is the reality of life. A lady is the first person who gets up in the morning and she's the last person who goes to sleep, and she constantly needs to have a smile on her face, and she never gets paid. And what is keeping her alive with no pay, no appreciation, no love? Tell me. Family bullshit. तुम family हो? आज से कोई भी पूछे हमारा नाम, तुम्हारा पूरा नाम क्या है? अरे बाप रे, नाम भी गलत है. योहान अमित. योहान अमित पूजा मेहता. तो आजकल से तो योहान अमित लाइबिलिटी पूजा मेहता. You are a liability. So coming back to the point. So your mom does it, yeah? Who made it this way? किसने brand किया कि the lady of the house has to do everything and the man can get sabzi? Huh? Who made this? Does the constitution say it? Huh? Society, which society? Society. What? Yeah, what? Huh? Patriarchy, that's a good word, yeah. Huh? Back then, which back?
जब तक जा सकते.
और तुम्हें कब तक ऐसे जाएगा? कब होगी माँ, कब पत्थर उठा के तुम्हारे पापा के सर पे मारेगी?
कभी नहीं.
कभी नहीं. And that is a problem statement. Have you seen your dads saying thank you to her any day? Every day? Every day? Girls too will say, I'm gonna have a girl at my home. I love my dad, anything for you. You don't do anything, but I still love you. They do. How many of you say thank you to your mother on everyday basis? I'm not talking about Diwali, Christmas, Holi. Every day. चलो, यहां से भी आ गया, कांग्रेस जीत रहा है. ओके, एक आ गया. ओके, यू डोंट से थैंक यू टू योर मॉम एंड डैड? नहीं बोलते आप? तो मम्मी नहीं घर पे तो? अच्छा, ओके, से एक्सप्लेन दैट टू मी. एज इन हॉस्टल्स, या? सो बट यू कॉल योर मॉम एंड डैड, या? तो ट्वाइस अ वीक में तुम क्या बोलते हो? पैसे भेजो, सब खत्म हो गए. और कहां फंसा दिया मेरे को? When you speak to her, do you say thank you? Yes or no? I don't think so. How do you say thank you? Every day.
By gratitude.
What is gratitude?
It's like thanking things we got. We have.
How? तुम उसकी आंखों में आंखें डालकर, माँ तू मेरे लिए इतना सब कुछ करती है माँ, और बस आई लव यू माँ. ऐसा कौन करता है? हाउ मेनी पीपल डू इट? ऐसा तो हम नहीं करते, बहुत शर्म आ रही है. हाँ, यू डू इट नॉट ऑन डेली बेसिस. सिर्फ साईं बाबा का दिन कब है? बृहस्पतिवार को. हाँ बच्चे.
Boarding school, that's why we can't do it.
नहीं तो तू पहाड़ उठा लेती थी.
I love my mom and
I तो hate my mom. Look, I know that you love your mom, but we don't say it Today, when you finish this summit or this gathering we have, you will just get up. Let's go. You will never write a mail to School News. You will never meet these people again. You will never be connected. You will never have gratitude for the time you spent here. You will never write an email to teachers who got you here. You would not, because you are entitled. And an entitled person never becomes successful. Never. You have to be exactly the same person you started on day one. Pagal. That's who you need to be. Reality is that. So let's do this. How many people have cell phones here? Everyone? Not everyone. हमारे टीचर ने ले लिया. बहुत दुष्ट प्रकृति के टीचर हैं वो. I'm just kidding. Come on, who has cell phone? Cell phone. Raise your hands. Okay. I'm coming to few. Aja. Jaldi. Yeah, raise your hands. Yes, gentlemen, you come. Yes, better, you come. हमारे साथ पाप हो रहा है. Injustice. Okay. Here, someone, you have a cell phone? है कि नहीं? हमारी लाइफ ही ऐसी है. Instagram पे क्या चल रहा है समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, चलो. Okay. I love that what you did right now. Thank God you did not kiss each other. Okay. I'm just kidding. Beautiful. Okay. Call your mom. Okay. And you're not supposed to say, मेरे सामने एक बहुत दुष्ट आदमी खड़ा है जिसने मुझे. You have to just call your mom and say, Mom, you do so many things for me. I never say this to you. I love you. Okay. Cut it. What do you think is going to be the response of his mother? अरे बेटा क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं माँ, मूड में आया हूँ माँ. हाँ, नहीं तो माँ सोचेगी अरे तुम्हारा कोई टाका फिरा है क्या? हाँ, नहीं तो she will even think, माँ, I love you. या. Let's see. फोन कर, स्पीकर पे डाल.
मम्मी आप मेरे लिए इतना कुछ करते हो और मतलब इतना ध्यान रखते हो मेरा और इतना खाना पीना सब चीज़ संभालते हो, तो उसके लिए मैंने आज तक कभी नहीं बोला, बट आज बोलना चाहता हूँ. आई लव यू सो मच मम्मी. अच्छा भजन हो रहे हैं. अरे मैं बोल रहा हूँ आई लव यू सो मच.
यहाँ मैं सबसे तेरा थैंक यू सर.
अरे
How will you be an entrepreneur when you cannot keep your closest person in life in conversation? मम्मी चुप रहे. हाँ, ये तो कह रहा है हम तो फोन ही नहीं करते. चलो let's try. She's busy, I know.
मम्मी आप मेरे लिए सब कुछ करते हो और उसके लिए थैंक यू एंड आई लव यू.
तो क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं, बस ऐसे ही मन किया आज आपको बोलने का. थैंक यू मम्मी.
वेलकम विशु. आई लव यू टू.
चलो बाय.
मम्मी ने ताली की आवाज सुनी, कहा कि थोड़ा इज्जत मेरे बच्चे का रख लेती हूँ, घर पे आप बात में बात. But the reality is, often the question will be, क्या हुआ? Your customers, your closest customers are your parents, teachers, your friends. They are like silver, चांदी जैसे हैं. घिसते रहो, मिलते रहो, प्यार करते रहो. कभी कभी धन्यवाद बोल दो, कभी गले लगा लो, एक बार पानी पूरी साथ में खा लो, लेकिन ये करते रहो. नहीं तो तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं होने वाला. तुम्हारा मैनेजर बोलेगा, get in a talk with a difficult customer. हेलो, कौन बात कर रहा है? कोई नहीं. You have no idea what we all have gone through. People have put their doors against your face like that and get lost to heaven. They have told us a million times, and we every time they again open. Hello sir, कैसे हैं? हम तो यही हैं. You have to be that person, especially in this world. Are you there with me? Is this making sense? Please, if you don't mind, whenever you get your cell phone or if you're meeting your parents today, please tell them thank you. ना किसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है कि औरत को सब करना है, और ना ही किसी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में लिखा है कि तुम थैंक यू नहीं बोल सकते. Are you there with me? क्या दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है कि मेरे नब्ज नहीं चल रहे हैं? समय हो गया. Okay. Thank you. Please give them a good round of applause. So before I go, my purpose here, why I came here, is this. We have started India's first advertising festival for students at festivals. Okay? So I would like most of you to participate in it. How many people would like to get 2 air tickets to Mumbai and free trip? Raise your hands. Only if you qualify. Only if you qualify. We have the legends of advertising field, Pops, K.V. Sridhar, Piyush Pandey, Prahlad, all these people, Bharat Dabholkar, everyone would be there. This is the moment to start young. तुम्हें तो इज्जत भी नहीं मिलती अभी इस उम्र में. इज्जत मिलती है? नहीं देता कोई. But if you don't start young, no one will respect you. बैठो रहो, इन्फ्लुएंसर को देखो, ओयो वालों को फॉलो करो, बस यही करते रहो जिंदगी भर. खुद कुछ मत करना. Seriously, you only have one Sachin Tendulkar on this planet because he started young. You have only one Shah Rukh Khan, he started young. You have only one Elon Musk, Mark Zuckerberg, Steve Jobs, any damn name. Modi ji, पप्पू को छोड़ के. You're understanding? They started young. Ask yourself, wow, how am I contributing? Are you there with me? So I would like my team will be giving you a card in between or right now whenever they feel like. Scan it, come to the website, register, and not only you will be flown to Mumbai, you will also get cash prizes. And who knows, you might end up working in one of the best advertising agencies by them. We never know. Am I making sense there? So one, sir, Daksh sahab, ek video chala lo. Yeah. So Vitesh, can we have Preeti's video? Preeti's. Yeah, this one and after this Preeti's video. Yeah, these are the categories. Play. Okay, I hope that you will participate. How many people are participating? Raise your hands. अभी तो तुम लोग इधर हाई हो. भूलना मत. Do participate. I'm seriously telling you, it will really help you if you really want to see the world the way it is. Okay, just one last video, Vitesh, of Preeti, if you can play.
Hey everyone, I'm Preeti Rajaram, and I'm here to tell you about one of the coolest categories in the Gutli Art Fest 2024. We're talking about the film category. Sponsored by the one and only Lahori Zira. Yeah, you heard that right. That super refreshing, tangy drink that's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Now, for this category, you gotta create a mind-blowing ad for Lahori Zira. We're looking for something quirky, funny, and totally original. Show us why Lahori Zira is the ultimate thirst quencher. We're talking about a drink that's not just refreshing, but a mood booster as well. Remember, we want ads that are short, sweet, and super catchy. Your ad should be between 30 to 60 seconds. So, pack a punch. don't forget to give Lahori Zira the love it deserves with a shout out and their logo. So, what are you waiting for? Unleash your creativity and let's show the world why Lahori Zira is the undisputed king of refreshing drinks.
So thank you so very much. My name is Pratish Nair and I want to hope and believe that you learn something today. Start young. Thank you. Thank you.
And Mr. Nair, you can't go that way. You come
Yeah.
back here and join us on stage. And may I call upon the very confident Manat Kaur from Cambridge Court to felicitate
Thank
Brother
you.
Pratish.
Thank you. Thank you so very much. Thank you.
What kind of energy. Lovely.
Thank you.
Come on, sweet boy. Come forward. Come
Who
forward.
is coming? You're the one? Where is the cash is there? Seriously? Thank you so very much and God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
You have to wear this.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you for the honor, Bache. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Mana.
sir.
And where's Daksh? Take it forward, my dear.